front of me is Samsung Galaxy A27, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching Clock app that's already on your device and tapping on Alarm at the bottom left corner. Now, to manage available options, click on those three dots on the right. Hit Settings and manage all of those however you want to for your clock. Now, alarm 1 is this one. Silent alarms when system sound is off. Enable or disable it thanks to this switcher. You can also adjust volume for all alarms here, or pick volume for each individually. You can tap on Alarm Background and do the same. Create background for all alarms here, or do a different one for all of your alarms. Lastly, hit Upcoming Alarms Notification and pick one of those options. Then go back. Now with all of those out of the way, we can create alarm thanks to this plus. Begin by setting up an hour at the top. Now pick days of the week by tapping on them and label your alarm however you wanna, if you want to. Now, to disable all of those, use those switchers next to them. You can switch them on the same way. If you decided to enable one or all of those options, tap on them on the left to manage them. Let's start with sound. Pick one of those, like Spotify, Bixby alarm, or my favorite, which is ringtone. Hit allow. Operate those two switches if you wanna, and either use this plus icon at the top right corner to pick any song from your smartphone. Disable or enable play selected highlights and hit done at the top right corner to save it. Or click on any of those to apply it. Either way, go back. Now hit vibration to apply one of those patterns, or select silent. You can also hit alarm groups and create a group, adding your alarm to it. If you don't, just tap on it and tap on Unassigned. Select Move and wait. Now, I mentioned before alarm background. If you didn't decide to make one for all of your alarms, here's your chance to make one for this one. Tap on alarm background, hit background at the top left corner, select Allow All, and either tap on one of those backgrounds and hit Done, or create your own by tapping on Gallery and selecting any photo from your gallery to apply it. Then choose Done at the top right corner. Now choose Save at the bottom right corner to save your brand new alarm. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To switch it off or turn it on, use this switcher next to it. To make any changes, click on it, change whatever you wanna, and hit Save. To delete it though, just hold it and tap on Delete at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!